If you find the modern pace of life too hectic, too fast, you want something to slow you down, to relax more, you should look into more traditional things. Today I have an example of this. It's called Kolrosing. Well, it's what it is. It's a way of decorating wood, a traditional way with just a knife. Today I'll be decorating these eating spoons, reverse bowl eating spoons I carved recently. You can also see the video of me carving them and how I axed them out in the woods in one of my previous videos. So, these are the spoons, quite like this shape. So now they are carved, all clean, finishing cuts done. And what I want to do is decorate them, decorate the handles. And I'll be decorating them with a design I particularly like, a sailboat. So let's begin. I find evenings really great for this kind of work. So first thing to do is just, I will draw a little border here. So I want to draw the design. It's going to be a sailboat here, and then basket wave above and below, just to frame the picture. So I have finished drawing the design. What do you think? Well, I'm ready for decoration. All I'll be using today is Mora 106, the tip of the knife here. So let's begin. So, Kolrosing is done by cutting the lines, so no material is removed. Lines are cut in with the tip of the knife and then filled in with a pigment. For the pigment here I'll be using finely ground coffee. You will see that in the end. So, I did the borders now. Let's see what next. It's quite a windy evening outside, so I'm glad to be inside doing this. Okay. And here it is. Sailboat is done. Not bad, eh? So now I'm just gonna do all the borders and basket wave. So now I'm doing the basket weave. See, this is fairly simple and a good way to start. And it turns out really nice in the end. I never use any rulers and set things like that. Never measure anything. Do everything by feeling. And you get more organic results, you see. I think it feels more natural and looks better in the end. Less artificial. Okay, so just nice straight lines. Very relaxing. Yeah. And I like with Kolrosing that it's an immediate process, you know. You just pick up a knife and start doing it and that's it, you know. You're seeing results right away. You see, it's just... And these lines don't wash out, so they will last as long as the spoon, which is many years of use. So you can wash the spoon normally and use it and so on. And here's the spoon all done. Looking good. So now I'm just going to apply oil. I put a little bit on my finger and just rub it in. The oil I'm using is linseed oil, also called flaxseed oil. And it's a food grade oil, so it's made for salads and such. So not to be confused with boiled linseed, which has toxic additives and it's made for furniture. Everything here is food grade, so, and super safe. See, it's getting nice and shiny. All this is knife finish. You can see how I carved them in one of my earlier videos, so check that out too. I'll put the link in the end. See? You can see all the knife cuts here. Beautifully done. So I love knife finish. It's the only thing for spoons. Okay. See? So now I'll add the pigment. I'm just gonna take a little pinch of coffee and rub it in. Let's see the magic happen, you see? See? Now just to clean it up and see the results. Now to clean the piece some more, I'm just gonna apply more oil and just rub it off the clean part of my hand, my palm. So just clean, clean, clean. See? It's getting nice. And as you can see, the pattern can't be removed anymore, so it will stay here as long as the spoon lasts, which is many years. And here they are, all done, nice set. So now, as the last part, I usually do some burnishing. I do it with a glass marble. Let's just pour a little burnishing. Makes it more shiny and closes all the wood pores here. See, I mean, it's always already perfectly shiny and great. So don't need to do it, but I'm gonna do it. Just rub it in here. See? Perfect. So this one too. Glass marble is just perfect for this. You can use all kinds of things. See? It's a perfect finish. It's gonna be great. Great mouth feel, and so. And that's it. Nice set of eating spoons. See? Nice, shiny. I love this decoration. I love sailboats, old ships, old wooden ships. This is inspired by a local fishing ship, small sailing ship. So, see? Maybe I'll tell you the story some other time. So, thanks for watching. Hope you liked them. Let me know what you think about this. Does it feel relaxing? Good. How do you like the results? And also check out the videos where I actually carved the spoon. You can see it here. Or the video where I axe out these spoons, also here. So, thanks for watching. Bye for now.